Hi, welcome to Phonics for the week of May 18th, 2020. And for day one, we're going to review high frequency words. Then day two, we're going to work on suffixes, and then it will be homophones this week. So let's get started. All right, it's day one, so we will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil for working on phonics today. We're going to work on our high frequency words warm up. Remember, this is where I say it, then we spell it, and then you write it. So make sure that if I'm going too fast that you pause it so you can write all your words down, okay? It's not a race, but sometimes, everyone works at different speeds. So pause me if I'm going too fast, okay? Say it, don't. Spell it, D-O-N''T. Write it. Say it, few. Spell it, F-E-W. Write it. Say it, while. Spell it, W-H-I-L-E. Write it. Say it, along. Spell it, A-L-O-N-G. Write it. Say it, might. Spell it, M-I-G-H-T. Write it. Say it, close. Spell it, C-L-O-S-E. Write it. Say it, something. Spell it, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Write it. Say it, seem. Spell it, S-E-E-M. Write it. Say it, next. Spell it, N-E-X-T. Write it. Say it, hard. Spell it, H-A-R-D. Write it. Okay, thank you for working on your high frequency words, and I hope you have a great day.